Good morning. You guys seem to like these drive and talks, so let's get one going while I get to my destination here. Let's talk about why community is important, right? Why is community important while trading? And think about this, guys. When you're trading, right? When you're alone, when you're there alone, in the morning, on your computer, and you're starting to trade, guys, you are trading against teams. Let me say that again. You are trading against teams of people, of extremely smart, disciplined, and experienced people. So if you understand that, why wouldn't you want to also be on a team? So let's say you're a professional basketball player. The goal is to be on a professional basketball team. Would you ever play basketball alone? Would you ever step on the court as a single person to play against the whole fucking team? I don't think you would, right? And now let's talk about what comes with being a part of a team, right? When you're in a basketball team and you're fucking up, your teammates are telling you, yo, it's all good, do this, do that. There's community, you're learning from each other. So if I can help you understand this, why wouldn't you want to be part of a community every single day, a part of a team every single day that you are trading with and you are learning with every single day? Not only are you learning, but people are holding you accountable. I promise you, the byproduct of this is going to be you will not be blowing accounts as fast as you were. Guys, I guarantee you it. You will not be blowing accounts. If you had someone sitting next to you who is a better trader than you, who is taking a profitable trade, who does this every single day, I promise you, you will become this person. You will become the trader who doesn't blow accounts, who takes profitable trades, who is disciplined. And this is what I'm saying, guys. Keep this in mind, that the goal is to be part of a team. At least for me, the goal for me is I would love to work for a hedge fund, right? I would love to be a part of a hedge fund just because of the community of it, just because of the fact that I'm surrounded by other traders every single day, guys. I'm sure that people have heard it, and if you haven't here, you're hearing it now. But if you want to go fast, you go alone. But if you want to go the distance, you go together, guys. And that means we need each other to grow, guys. We need each other to succeed. And the faster you realize that, guys, the faster, I promise you, the faster you will be profitable. So again, if you want to be part of truly the greatest community, the greatest, and I'm telling you right now, why is it the greatest? Because we are focusing on discipline and becoming the very best, right? We're not focused on taking these crazy fucking trades that most of these influencers are putting out. They're called hurricane trades, right? They're profitable until they're not profitable. There will be days that we don't even take trades. And that is great, right? That is the very best part. The very best part is not being profitable. The very best part is following your plan, because following your plan gives you a byproduct of profitability. So please understand this, guys. Community is super, super, super important if you want to be a trader. If I knew this earlier on, I would have been part of a community that I respected much earlier, much earlier before my journey, just because of the growth that I would have had within that community. So I wanted to, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Please keep in mind that you cannot and you shouldn't want to do this alone. Trading is extremely hard, guys, and trading can break you down into pieces, man. Pieces. If you are thinking about trading, bravo. Like, if even the vision of trading is in your mind, bravo. There's something greater that is telling you, hey, this is probably for you. And if that's the case, great. But take the right steps towards that, right? Learn sooner than later, right? Like, don't make these crazy mistakes that most people make. And that's what I'm trying to help save you from, the mistakes that me, and I guarantee you all of the trading influencers that you know have been through, which is just losing money, guys, blowing accounts. You do not want to be in that position. I'm telling you right now, you do not want to be in the position of blowing the amount of money that I personally blew, or the amount of money that a lot of these traders blew in the process of coming up. So keep that in mind, guys. Remember, the Trade Safe community is here for the people, guys. You get everything. I'm telling you, like, please, if you can find someone that gives more value, I'll give it to you for free. I will literally let you be a part of the community for free if you can bring to me right now one person that is giving you more value than what the Trade Safe community is giving you. I'll be waiting in the inbox. And I know it's gonna stay empty because nobody right now is giving more value. How do I know? I simply did research. I know most of these traders. Not personally, but I've spoken with them, you know, like we chop it up on Instagram, whatever the case. And guys, no one's giving the value that I'm giving. Live trading, the course, the book, the Trade Safe software that cuts out the over trading, which is the number one reason of why traders fail, over trading and going on tilt. So again, guys, I really, this is made for the people. I truly want to help you guys out. And beyond that, I want to make some real great connections, man. Like, a lot of people don't understand that some of these things lead to greater things, man. Like, you don't know, sometimes in life you meet people and it leads you to much greater things than what you originally anticipated. And that's something that the youth doesn't understand, right? And that's something that I learned very fast as I got older, is I started really focusing on relationships. And, for a long time, guys, I was a lone ranger. For a long time. I thought to myself, I don't fucking need nobody. And guess what? I did a lot by myself. I truly did a lot by myself. But as I got older, I realized exactly what I told you, which was, if you want to go the distance, you need to do it in a community. And that is why these hedge funds are able to pull billions of dollars out of the market, because they are doing it as a team, guys, as a team. Okay? If you want to join the team, the link is in the bio. Trade Safe. Nobody's doing it like us. I'm telling you right now. Looking forward to meeting you guys. Have a good one. Peace.